Hello, I'm Richard from County Battery Services. Just come to our Hive temperature controller and realised it's not working properly. And as you can see, the battery light has failed. Now, how does this come off? It's a bit tricky, but if you look underneath, just here, there's a bit of a lever. Just press that in and off it comes, that lever. Now in the back you'll see 4 AA batteries, so I'm going to bring over here to replace, these ones are Duracell. You notice the positive is on this one, it's always at the top, and you'll notice that in there's a recess for the nipple on the top of the battery to fit. So if we take these 4 out, like so, and replace them with these high-powered, high-quality full of batteries. Now you can see, if you're not sure, there's the shape of the battery here, so you do get the battery in the right way. It is. There we go, and back, and you can see that the Hive has started to reconnect. We've got a welcome sign. And all we need to do now is to 2 hooks at the top, and it presses in. All done.